how to buy World Liberty token. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 50 minutes ago and increased by 2 million% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in this safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address it and it's under the Solana network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet. For that, I will log into my wallet first. Sorry guys. So after you log into your wallet, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Now click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap. Now you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy World Liberty token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.